Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm going to share with you 4 tips for your landing page design, because as marketers, we want to have a good strategy in place when we're making a landing page. So these are my 4 top tips, along with a whole bunch of examples I'm going to walk you through here in a second. So today what we're talking about here, if we're looking at the conversion blueprints, is our opt-in page and our landing page design. So I'm going to show you here now and share with you my 4 top tips as we go through them here. So if you can see here on the screen, one of my first top tips is you want to keep your landing page simple. So we can see here on the screen, this is an example of a landing page that's simple and it hits that first point. And the second point I want to share with you, is your landing page, it needs to pass the 3-second rule. So when someone comes to your site, your landing page, you've ran an ad, they come to your site and they've got 3 seconds to show them what it is you've got and how did they get it. So you can see when you look at this here, as soon as you look at this, your eyes are drawn either to the book, the PDF, or it's drawn to the headline. So you can see the Marketing Secrets Black Book, and then you see the Black Book and it's got the arrow and it says free instant access, get now. So in about 3 seconds you can get a grasp of what it is you're getting and how do you get it. And then also, what my third tip I want to give you is you want to make it really curious. So you don't want to give too much away. You want to perk people's ears up and their imagination, to think, what is that their thing, and make them, curious about what it is you have to offer them. And then the fourth thing, my fourth tip is that your value proposition. So you want to offer something in exchange of an email address when someone comes to your opt-in page, landing page. So when someone comes there, you can't just ask them for their email. You have to make them an offer of something that they would really love. So you can see here that this is the Marketing Secrets Black Book, and it says 99 marketing secrets that will change your life and business. It will change your business and change your life. And then, if I'm a marketer and I want to get these 99 marketing secrets, I don't know what it is. It's got this padlock on it. It's a bit curious, and I can see that I can get access now. So this is like the things you want to have a look out for when you're designing your landing page. Now here's another example here. Now this here passes the 3-second test. When I look at it, it says Facebook ad template library, get your template. So I can see what it is and how do I get it. So this passes the first test, and then it says copy and paste these 7 proven Facebook ad campaigns to create low-cost, high-converting ads on demand. What you'll learn: the 11-word ad that netted to $208,485 in sales using one simple principle of buyer persuasion. This formula works in any market. So you can see how this has got a bit of curiosity in there as well, and it's really simple. It passed the 3-second rule, and it's offering the value. So you can see that it's getting these templates, Facebook ad templates, which is really cool. Now this here next one, it is get your free step-by-step video course for effortlessly engaging women with confidence. So straight away I know what it is. It says yes, send me the video course now. I know how to get it. It's super simple as well. It's not too much on this page. Learn more, you can learn more here. So this passes the test as well, and this is just to give you an idea of what these types of pages look like. This next one here, it passes the 3-second rule. So it's 7 monster ways to improve your AdWords performance, and then it says get free guide, and then your favorite email here. So it's got a bit of curiosity here, does it? Let's see, you need this guide. Here's why. AdWords isn't an isolated marketing channel. It takes quality traffic, high converting landing pages, and a sales process that squeezes out the highest lifetime values possible. This guide touches on all 3, but more importantly, it gives you actionable ideas you can implement today so you can see results tomorrow. So let's see here what's in this spooky thing. 7 chapters to scare the pants off your competitors. So this has got a bit of curiosity, deep dive into the bottomless abyss. So this is the real curiosity. Unravel your AdWords account, right? So it's like, unravel your AdWords account. You want to kind of know what that means. And then it's got like transform your campaigns and landing pages, okay? And then it's like drink your bleeding campaigns dry, alright? And then it's like freeze your competitors' progress, find the best performing offers. swamp your prospects with value. So it's like, it's very curiosity, and then the value is like, get my free guide, so 7 monstrous ways to improve your AdWords performance. So then that's the offer value. So it's got curiosity. It's a really simple page. There's not much to that page. You can see that it's a PDF, so that's like the offer. Now the next one here we look at, it says here 15 infographic templates in PowerPoint plus 5 bonus Illustrator templates. Download now for free. So right away I know what it is. Passes the 3-second rule. It's got curiosity. Save countless hours by using these premium templates to design your infographics. So you kind of know what it is and where you get it. Let's see. The custom infographic templates highlight how you can create color scheme, design icons, shapes, fonts. Easy to use infographic templates. So it's simple. It's got an offer, so you know what you're getting. You're getting these templates, and then it passes that 3-second rule. Now I'm looking for some curiosity in here. Now let's see. Frequently asked questions. Why do I need to? Thousands of companies are already designing these templates to save time. So you can see here that it's pretty simple, and you know what you're getting and how to get it. And this here one now this is a simple one as well. It says how to get anything you want. Well, just about anything. Download this free audio training and learn the 3 simple strategies that'll give you the clarity, confidence to build your dreams on your terms. Get it now. So right away you know that, okay, this is an audio and it's about how to get anything you want. Well, just about anything, and it's a training, and this is how you get it. So this is really simple, and you know what it is. It's kind of about curiosity, because it's like how to get anything you want. Well, just about anything. Anything you want could be anything to anybody kind of thing. So it's got a bit of curiosity in there. It passes that 3-second rule, and you know what it is and how to get it. Alright my friend, so let's go move on to this next one. So this says, beyond diet, start with salad. It's that simple. So 84 sensational salad plus 10 bonus flavour enhancing dressings will have your mouth watering from your first flip of the pages. So let's see. These salads will leave your belly feeling full while slimming your waistline with each delectable morsel. I think that says. So it says claim mine now. So this is recipes. So it's 10 bonus recipes. Start with a salad. Okay, so I think 44 seasonal salads. So this is like a salad PDF. So it says claim mine now. So it kind of maybe doesn't pass the 3-second rule. As soon as I see that, really need to know what it is and then how to get it. And then it's got a bit of curiosity. I think down here it says you'll discover delicious salads, dinners, desserts that'll help with slimming your waistline and reducing your bloat. So it's like, you kind of don't know what it is, but you want to know what it is. So it's like, what are these salads, And then it says click here to get instant access, a free download, 44 seasonal salads, and boom, you click that there and you can download them. You can opt in the opt-in landing page. Okay, so here it's pretty simple. It's nothing too complex. It's curiosity. It's got a bit of curiosity in there. Maybe doesn't pass the 3-second rule that well, but it offers something of value. So it's the 44 seasonal salad recipes, the free download, so you can get that there. So this is just an idea of incorporating these 4 tips, my 4 top tips for designing your landing page. So here, this one, it says free audiobook. So boom, right away I know what it is. Weight loss bestseller instant download. So right, okay, I know what it is. It's an instant download of an audiobook. And then it says here, tap here to get it free now. So right away it passed the 3-second test. And then it says, learn how everything you've been told about losing weight is full of lies, and the truth about that helped me lose 65 pounds without giving up pizza and ice cream. So that's really curiosity. So it is got a lot of curiosity there. So you can see that it passed that 3-second test. It's simple. It looks pretty simple. There's not a lot to this page. There's some testimonials and then a little bit about this girl's story. It's the audiobook, so it's got that value offer proposition sort of side of it. So that's another good example here. Now this one here, it says straight away, mysterious email tips for doubling, tripling and even quadrupling your sales right now. So that's like you know what it is. So it's it's email tips, and it's got curiosity in there, and then right away it says type your primary email address here. Okay, so you can see that right away it's got curiosity. I know what it is, I know how to get it. It passes that 3-second rule right away. And these were just some of the examples, my friend, that I wanted to show you with the 4 top tips, which was keeping it simple. So you can see that this page, it's pretty simple, you know, there's not a lot to it. You know, these are just different people's testimonials and that there on it. And then when you get to the bottom, wonder what it says here, type your primary email address and your primary email, sign me up. So you know what it is. So it's keeping it simple. You want to have curiosity, so it intrigues people to be like, you know, what is that there? They want to know more about it. Then you want to have past the 3-second rule. So as soon as someone lands on that page, because when I found out this here, it immediately increased my conversion rate when I decided that to incorporate the 3-second rule. You know, when people were landing on that page, could they see exactly what it was and how to get it within 3 seconds? So that's a really important one. You kind of want to implement, because people's attention spans now, it's not as big as they used to be. So it's 3-second rule, and then you want to offer something of value. So when someone comes to your site, you're not just asking them for their email address, you're actually giving them something in exchange for their email address that's worth way more than what an email address is. So this was my 4 top tips for landing page design, and a whole bunch of examples there, my friend, to give you some ideas on, you know, different layouts and how different people went about implementing these things. Hope you liked this video. If you want to know where I got all these here different templates from, I'm going to leave the PDF for this swipe file below, and you can go and have a look at it as well, my friend. I'll see you later. Have a great day.